symbiosis, and coexistence. Long time with nature. We're going back to appreciate the true value of nature. HB Paper, a paper packaging company that sincerely cares about the environment. To ensure a brighter future, we've established an all-in-one system spanning approximately 100,000 square meters. This system covers everything from sourcing raw materials, procurement, to production facilities under one roof. We have the capability to engage in large-scale production, making thousands of tons of paper products on a monthly basis with over 60 paper packaging production facilities, such as German W&H's CI Flexo printing machines and Garant's paper bag making machines. In addition, through our streamlined in-house logistics system, we assure dependable delivery timelines for diverse domestic and international customers. We aim for an eco-friendly factory by installing a 20,000 square meter solar panel system across the entire facility. HB Paper is at the forefront of sustainable printing and coating technologies, driven by a commitment to values like PFAS-free, Repulpable, Recyclable, and Compostable. Furthermore, we operate technical research lab and design studio to develop products that meet a wide range of customer needs. Also, we ensure quality stability through systematic production and process management. Through a people-centric approach to management, we share our values towards nature with our team members. We are continuously enhancing pleasant working conditions and employee welfare to create a work environment that harmonizes with nature and people. The dream of HB Paper began at Hanbot Packaging in 1998. Since then, we have expanded our business and now have 9 locations across the country, along with 4 affiliates. We've gained recognition both domestically and internationally by obtaining a number of certifications, including FSC, and securing intellectual property rights. We are leaping towards a brighter future. Be nature, be smart. We're HB Paper, moving smartly towards nature.